And so again, we've got data here. So what do we need to know in order to do this particular confidence interval for a 98% confidence interval? We need to know the mean. So we need to take the mean of this. We need to find the standard deviation of it. And since we can count them very easily, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we can again use a t-chart to help us do some t-statistics on this. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the easy route and use StatCrunch. So click on this and it will take you straight over to StatCrunch, where it will put the data in there for you. As you can clearly see, it already put it in here for me. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to calculate some quick stats. I'm going to go to some summary stats and I'm going to use columns because that's what they gave here, and it's all about the mercury and tuna. And I'm going to scroll down here and say, what do I need to know? I need to know how many I have. I need to know the mean. Let's go ahead on and get the variance and the standard deviation as well. That's all I kind of want right now. I can't see anything else. I don't want the standard error just yet. I'm going to go ahead and compute. All right, so far, this is the information that is in front of me. That's not what I need. I got the mean, I got the variance, I've got the standard deviation. I'm winning at life. Let me put this info right where I need to see it, right here. Got it right where I need to see. Some good stuff here. Good information. I'm going to leave that right down there at the bottom. Now, they didn't tell me the population standard deviation. They didn't give me sigma. So again, I'd have to use my t-table. Now you're welcome to go to your table, and since there are 7 values here, that means our degree of freedom would be 6. So we'd go to the row where the 6 is, and since we're trying to do a 98% confidence interval, that means that in one of my tails, how much is it going to be? It's going to be 1% in my tails. 2 tails is going to be 2%, because 98 minus 100 is 2. Enough of this rambling on. If I go down here to T-stats and I go to one sample with data, which is right over here, I'm going to use the mercury, and I want to know the confidence interval for a 98% confidence interval. I just put in 98 and I just compute it. Now it's giving me the lower limit and the upper limit for my confidence level. And that's all I've got to do. So blase, blase, blase. La-di-da-di, we love to party. All right, so if I put this in, let's see if it's right. And if it isn't, we'll calculate it by hand. And I don't trust technology, so we'll see if I did something wrong. All right, so the parts per million, the lower rounded to 3 decimal places is needed, is going to be 0.286 for the lower limit, and the upper limit is going to be 1.180. Fingers crossed. Let's see how well it went. Excellent. I hope you found that useful.